In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and an image side by side in WordPress. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance the visual appeal of your website, this is a valuable skill to master. Let's dive right in and make your content layout more engaging and visually appealing. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center for managing all aspects of your site, and where you'll be making these adjustments. Once logged in, navigate to the page or post where you'd like to add your text and image side by side. You'll find this area under the Posts or Pages section on the sidebar of your dashboard. Choose Add New if you're starting from scratch, or Edit if you're modifying an existing page or post. Now, with your editor open, you're going to look for the icon, which is typically located at the top of the editor or within the editor itself. Clicking this will open up a variety of block options for your page. In this process, we will specifically use the Columns block. So, go ahead and select Columns. Upon selection, you'll see different column layouts appear. Choose the two-column layout to place your text and image side by side. Once you have your columns set up, click on the first column. Here, you'll be inserting the text block. Navigate to the toolbar or block search and type text to immediately add a paragraph block into this column. You can then paste or write your desired text. Remember, your text should be concise yet informative to capture and maintain your audience's attention. Additionally, you can format this text using the options available in the block toolbar. Customize your font style, size, or color to align with your site's design. Next, move over to the second column to add your image. Click on the column and follow a similar process by typing or selecting Image from the block options. You have the option to upload a new image directly from your device or select one from your media library if it's already been uploaded. Once your image is in place, you can adjust its size to fit alongside the text seamlessly. Utilize the image settings provided to fine-tune its alignment and dimensions until it looks perfect. Before wrapping up, make sure to preview your changes. This is crucial to ensure everything looks as expected and to make any necessary adjustments. Look out for any alignment issues or spacing discrepancies, and make sure your content is both readable and visually appealing on different devices. Once satisfied, don't forget to hit that Publish or Update button to save your changes. By following these straightforward steps, you're now well equipped to enhance your WordPress pages with text and images aligned side by side, adding depth and engagement to your content. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more WordPress tips and tutorials.